Hi guys, welcome to Akira Tourism. In today's video, I'm going to show you the full process, documentation required, pricing part, and why you should apply your France tourist visa with Akira Tourism only. You will get to know everything in this video. And let me tell you, there are 29 countries in Schengen like France, Germany, Italy, Switzerland, Norway. So the documentation is almost similar for each and every country, but for the process, it's different. So guys, today, as per all of your requests, I'm going to explain you like what are the documents required in France tourist visa, what is the processing time, everything you will get to know in today's video. So let's get the video started. Before starting, let me tell you that my name is Yogesh. I'm the owner of Akira Tourism, and our main target is to give you the best experience whether you are taking visa, hotel, flight, anything from us. We always try to give you our best. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. So let's start first with the processing time, like how much time it takes when you submit your file in the embassy. See, usually it takes 15 to 20 working days after submitting your file, not like the time you give us documents. So please be careful in this, because when you submit your file, from that time you can count 15 to 20 working days is gonna take for the approval or rejection. Whatever their decision is, it will take 15 days. And when it comes to validity, see, as per our last 10 applications, we usually get 1 month to 3 months validity, but this totally depends on the embassy. So there is no guarantee like you will get 3 months. In some of the cases we have got 1 year validity also for the France, but see, we cannot commit in this. It's totally depend on the embassy, and we are not from that kind of companies who give false information to our clients. We always give the accurate and the honest answer which is available as per our experience and the records. And when it comes to documents, what documents we need? See, if you are applying from India, passport copy, Aadhaar card copy, PAN card copy, last 6-month bank statement with good closing balance. And when I'm talking about good closing balance, that means good closing balance. If you're applying from India and you're traveling alone, I will suggest you should have in your account somewhere around 15 lakhs to 20 lakhs in your account, because see, if you don't have good closing balance, do you think the visa officer who will review your application will approve your visa? Just think about it. That's why I'm saying you should have good closing balance. And if you are traveling with family, you should have more than 15-20 lakhs, because see, if you go there, you're gonna spend money, you're gonna book taxis, you're gonna eat food, you're gonna do the shopping. So all these things takes expenses, and visa officer always check the bank statement closing balance mostly. So in the bank statement, what usually they check mostly is the closing balance. We need your last 3-year ITR return, which is income tax return, which you can get easily online. If you don't know the process of how to get the ITR online, the numbers are given below and upside of our team members. Just call or WhatsApp or come to our office, which is in Jaipur. Right now we are in Jaipur, Rajasthan, but very soon we are going to open our new office in Delhi and Mumbai as well. And we need NOC from the company. NOC means non-objection certificate, which you can ask from your employer or HR. They will give you. It's not that much hard. And what is the format of NOC? We will provide you. We will give you details of like what you need to fill in the NOC. Everything you will get to know from us. And if you're not working, for example, you have your own business, then we need the GST certificate or MSME certificate, which you can get easily if you are running a business. So these are the documents required for France tourist visa. Now, what happens when you give us all these documents? See, our first priority is get you the appointment as soon as possible. And when you come to our office, and if you have already visited our office, you must have seen there are 2 to 3 teams in our office. One is appointment team, one is typing team, one is submission team. So appointment part is very important. We can get you early appointment as well. So once you give us all the documents, what we do? We first take your appointment, we apply your insurance, we prepare your cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, every documents we prepare. Then it goes to 3 funnels. First, it goes from sales team to typing team. Then from typing team, they prepare the documents like what I said. After that, it goes to the submission team. And submission team finally review your application and just submit to the portal. So this is the process we follow, and because of that reason only, we have the highest approval ratio of Schengen countries. Yes sir. And not only Schengen, UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, take any country name, we have very good approval ratio. So this is the process we follow. Now when it comes to price, we just charge 10,000 rupees and we just keep very minimal service charge, which is included in 10,000 only. So in 10,000, as I told you, we will take your appointment. Appointment cost is also included. Insurance cost is also included. Cover letter, itinerary, hotel, flight, dummy, full documentation, full file, everything is included in the 10,000 rupees. Now, let me tell you the one thing which most of the agents don't tell you. That once you go to the submission, for example, your appointment date is 10th of February, and when you go to submit your file, at that time you have to pay 15,000 rupees, that is the fees for the embassy. So that nobody tell you, but we are very clear and transparent with our pricing part from beginning. So we always tell you this is the price and this is the process and this is the thing you should know, because if until unless you don't know, then it's the process is incomplete. So if I tell you the complete charge 10,000 we charge, 15,000 you will pay there, so approximately 25,000 rupees you will pay for France tourist visa. So guys, this was the video for France tourist visa. I hope you liked it. Please like the video and subscribe the channel, because you're gonna get most of the videos from us related to visas, packages, hotels. So guys, please subscribe the channel and let's meet in the next video. Till that time, see you.